Good morning students, welcome to Aryavardhan YouTube channel English video lessons for the beginners. Students, in today's class we are going to practice E as a sound. E as a pronunciation. Here you can see B-E, be, and D as D, bed, bed, B-E-D,
bed, bed, bed.
Let's start students. Bed, chest, dress, leg, pen, egg, chess, pencil, ten, hen, nest. Let's practice some rhyming words. Next, text, melt, belt, felt, less, mess, ness, bless, chess. Here though bed, red, fed, wed, shed, web, tress, stress, dress, press. So student, here you will find double S, but the pronunciation is of just a single S, sir. Press, leg, peg, keg, egg, bell, hell, sell, fell, del, tell, well, shell, L. Though double L, but the single pronunciation is L. Bet, jet, net, pet, set, et, went, bent, sent, nest, just, pest, best, test, tent, sent, lent, bent, send, tend, blend, mend, fend, lend, vend, pen, men, den, ten, then, when, fen, hen. Here E as A, double G as G, egg, egg, B, bay, D as D, bed, P, E, pay, N as N, pen, T, E, tay, double L as L, tell, yummy, may, double S as mess, egg, bed, pen, tell, mess. Students, let's practice few more words. Edge, egg, and, else, L, elm, beck, bed, here B-E, bay, bed, beg, bell, belt, bell, belt, ben, bend, bench, bend, bent, best, bet, bend, bleb, blend, blench, bless, bren, brett, check, chef, chef, chess, chest, clench, sell, selt, scent, center, sense, cess, clef, cleft, crest, deb, dept, deck, deft, delf, del, dem, den, dent, del, dent, de, here day, desk, dredge, here D is silent, dredge, drench, dress, dwell, ebb, edge, edit, edit, f, egg, end, enter, fed, F-E, fe, D as D, fed, fell, felt, fen, fence, fend, fleck, flens, flesh, flex, fresh, fret, lead, left, leg, leck, lend, length, lens, lent, less, let, letter, gel, ge here, gel, gem, gel, gem, gen, gent, guess, hedge, d silence, hedge, heft, hell, help. Students, let's listen to these words.
End, chess, fresh, pen, yes.
Let's listen once again.
End, chess, fresh, pen, yes.
Hen, hens, hex, jab, gel, just, jet, kedge, here d is silent, kedge, keg, ken, catch, here t is silent, catch, meld, me, may, melt, melt, men, mend, mess, mess, met, neb, neck, neff, nell, ness, nest, net, next, peck, peg, pelt, pen, pence, pen, pent, pep, pest, pet, pleb, pledge, d silent, pledge, pre, pray, press, quest, wreck, red, rex, self, sell, send, sent, sense, sept, set, shed, shell, shelf, shelve, sex, smell, spell, step, stress, swell, tent, tell, temp, temp, temple, tempt, ten, tent, tent, tend, tent, tenth, tend, tense, test, them, then, here th is the, them, then, they, trend, tress, vend, vent, vest, vet, vex, web, ved, weld, well, we, way, well, wend, went, wet, when, where, l, s, et, jet, gen, gend, just. Students, let's listen to these sentences.
An egg and a hen. Car is in the center. A desk and a bench.
So let's practice, students. An egg and a hen. Car is in the center. A desk and a bench. A pen and a pencil. Man and a pen. A leg and an egg. Nest and a test. Cat has a bell. He has a pen. This is a belt. That is a belt. Eggs are in the nest. 10 pence. Dental clinic. 10th class. A lens and a net. A belt and a chess. Hen is in the nest.